So makapal siya pero parang matuto na siya agad ngayon. Ayan, kanina pa yan siya dito. It's too deep. Malalim na. Hindi ito magtatagal dito. Mapapagod ito maglakad ah. Huwag na tika walk there. Huh? Ganitas na. Ano na? Oh yeah. So maglinis kami konti ngayon kasi ayan, yung kambing namin may bumagsak na kahoy. Ayan. So gagawin namin to kahit nag-ano. Tapos oh. Guba para among kuan siguro. Garage. Bumagsak yung ano. Hindi ko to narinig kagabi ah. Let's go to the driveway. Pato na yata to ah. Try ko. Ano ba yan? Oh, madulas. Madulas, madulas. Ayan. Tatanggal tayo ng twig. Oops. Sorry. Hindi ko dalang gloves. I'll be back there. Oh, there's another wood here, Daddy. A branches. You need to do it this one also here. Oh my goodness. It seems gonna be a busy day today. I'm sure there's a lot there down there. Pero ano siya, hindi siya ano. Hindi naman siya gaano malamig. So, matutunaw lang tong ano. Snow. Oh, kita nyo? So, yun ang ayusin namin. So, ito yung driveway namin. Meron pa dito. Konti lang dito. Meron ba nag-drive down? Tingnan natin kung mayroon ano. Oh, mayroon nga. Mayroon siya. Kagabi pa yata to eh. Oh, kanina to umaga. So, mayroon bumaba. At umakyat. Parang umikot-ikot yata yung sasakyan ah. Hindi naman daan. Ito, bumaba. Ano na. Ito, bumagsak din to. Narong lang siguro kanina. So, okay naman dito sa area namin. Iwan ko lang doon sa baba. So, balik tayo. You need the girls. Okay.
Not yet. I'll wait until I start moving it. Oh, my hands are cold. Thank you.
You will go inside now? You want to go inside?
She won't let you. She doesn't want to go down, huh? What?
Destroy the chainsaw. Can you go down? Oh, daddy's gone. Yeah. Yeah, it's gone. Ouch. Mommy needs owie. Can you press this one, Autumn? Careful, Daddy. You wanna gloves? You think that one is a swimming pool? Aray ko. It- You need to feed the animal before it's too long. She's gonna get cold.
What a pain in the butt.
So this one, we won't come back anymore.
Yeah, I probably won't go back. I probably won't swing back up, I don't think. We'll have to wait until the snow's off and see.
I don't think so. That's a big tree too. Oh, everything is down. I wonder how many trees in the road right now.
I don't know. I'll see though.
Huh?
This is a heavy, heavy wet snow.
Just like last February, right?
Last year?
February.
February? No, oh, well, not like this. It didn't come down this fast, you see what I mean? That's
Oh,
why
yeah.
all the trees are breaking and stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Heavy, heavy, heavy,
Okay.
wet, heavy snow.
It will meet right away, sweetie, because you see, it's not. Oh, among isda. Narabaw yung mga baby dere. Ang kapal. Yeah. Wow, this one's heavy. I don't have gloves. It's very cold. You like it? Yeah. Yung kambing namin. Putik. That's a quad, baby. That's a quad. Ay, bumagsak yung kahoy. Ha? Bagsak yung kahoy na. Hindi dito maano. Putik. Yay! Nilubon, nilubon. Meron pa yata doon. Oh. Ah!